Have you ever experienced that frustration when you hard work to grow small accounts just doesn't seem to give results? If you have tried several tactics and still haven't seen real progress, this video is for you. I will share the strategy that turns things around for me and we could do the same for you. Alright, so let's go guys, let's get it. I prepared an exclusive surprise just for you. Watch the video to the end and you'll be amazed. Guys, I will start doing everything as code to distortion, and firstly, the market type is classic candles. Time frame, we're gonna use 15 seconds. Alright, and strictly I need to go to the indicators and we're gonna use MACD and moving average. Okay, so now let's go to the first one. 8-on period and simple moving average. 2-on thickness, the colors are up to click on save. MACD, 10 for fast periods, 24 slow periods, and 8 for signal periods. The style, we're gonna use that today. Okay, and click on save. Guys, I do this for each element so that everything works perfectly. Okay, this setup took me about a minute. Okay, it's very simple, it's really fast, and now my task to figure out that. Let's change this to M1. Alright, and we're gonna start with $14. Okay, that's very simple as I said. And right now, I figured out how to look for good situations to earn money, and now I will do it. Guys, for the strategy, you use time frame of 15 seconds. Okay, it means that trade will always be fast. In this case, I choose the time for 1 minute and I open my first trade to increase the price of that set. I think the candles will grow higher. It's fair, I understand. This is an ideal example for this strategy. And look at this. Here I see the green candles crossing the moving average line. In the row without stopping, I see the green candles had good strong upward moment. Look at that. And I see, guys, the intersection of the moving average line here and the MACD, the histogram for the MACD. Yeah, guys. Look at the candles on the histogram still in one place for about 5 or 7. Here and now the strong growth and has begun. And soon I see the good growth. I had to catch this moment and open it. True, as far as I understood, I did it correct on time. Okay? And look at that. Hey, do you want to join a group where share signals and strategy that really work? And the best part, it's completely free. Then listen up. In my free group, I share various strategies, insights, and live operations, 100% real and transparent. I will never ask you for money and won't spend anything to join, alright? Want to learn how to earn more with operations? Click the link in the description or the first pinned comment and join the group now. See you there, guys. 3, 2, 1. So here I take a profit, guys. Yeah, look at this. Look at the candles and $28 in advance. It's very, very, very good start for us. And let's do the next one. Now just look at this. What a strong impulse. Guys, it's incredible. I don't know what will be better for this strategy. So I open my choice to lower the price. Click on the sell button. The time for the trade is 1 minute again. I press the red button right now. Okay, and look at that. Okay, I think I have already understood the logic of this method. The MACD crossing line, the histogram, the crossing line of the moving average. So in general, the most important thing right now is trading method is to open trade on time. If open trade 2, 3, 5 minutes after a solid pulse, you will most likely be late and lose your mind for your need to catch the best moment. And to be honest, I can't say this strategy is super stable. I prefer the methods in which will open trades for 5 or 7, 10 minutes. But for a quick increase in the bounce, as we're doing right now, I think it's ideal. I think this is for ideal strategy. After work in 10 minutes, can apply bounce in 10 minutes. That's where you're going in general. And look at that again, 3 seconds remaining. Okay? So yeah, guys, look at this. This trade also makes profit and it caught a good situation again. Oh, should you try it again? My friends, I think yes, okay? I have the same situation. It's very similar to the last one, and over in my trade right now. I press the red button right here. Time for the trade again, 1 minute. Okay, my dear friends, now I'm trending. Very risk, look at this, right? The same situation, the cross line on the moving average, the cross line on the MACD and the histogram, the sequence, and I raise the amount for each trade, and sooner or later it can lead to a loss. But I do especially to earn as much as possible today. Yeah, if I want to repeat this strategy, if I want to repeat my settings and trades, I'd raise it not to do so. Remember, this is better to write capital in many small parts and open 5 or 10 trades a day. Set a goal for yourself. It will be more stable and will be a way to gain experience. It's very important, okay? And remember, it's worth noting that it is just one for the strategy, capable of transforming your life into markets. To become a professional, it's essential to master the most profitable strategy. But don't worry, I prepared exclusive piece of content for you that will be key for your growth. Stay with me until the end of the video and enjoy it, okay? And look at that, guys, $98 on my bounce. I think I need to stop soon for the sake of the video, and for you and for sake of the content. I risk my entire bands right now to open another trade. And if it's profit, I will pause and save this money. My friends, it's a lot of money. It's enough for me. Yeah, the king said that training strategy should be tried. It's very profitable right now. And I don't know how it work with all the time frames or all the settings, but if the current parameter is very good. So repeat after me. Yeah, guys, look at this. All indicators here right now, and we got this. Okay? So let's for the next one. And look right here again, guys. All the indicators here give us a good signal for me. Okay? Now I'm gonna use my entire money. Okay? And look at that. That is good and not trend. We have the same situation. The crossing candles in the moving average, the MACD, right? That is good and amazing signal. And let's wait this together. I'm just waiting for the result of fuel. So let's wait. Hey, wait a minute. Before I see the results of this trade, how about competing for a 100 account to test the strategy I taught in the video? It's simple. Leave a positive comment and join my Telegram group through the link in the description. Let's make the most of it. Few more seconds, guys. And look at that. It's $189 on my accounts. About it, guys, I keep this profits. It's a very good result for me. It's a lot of money, from $16 to almost $200. It's very enough for me. Okay, so guys, let's act right now. Okay, good luck. I wish you good profits. I wish you good operations, and don't forget to write in the comments your results, and if you like it, just say that. See you soon, guys. Bye bye.